Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use trackpad gestures to zoom. First we have to open up settings, and here it opens up in general. From here we just click on accessibility, and then we click on zoom here, and here we have use trackpad gesture to zoom, which is double tap 3 fingers to toggle zoom, double tap 3 fingers and drag to change zoom. Let's turn this on, and then if we double tap 3 fingers, it should work. Like this. You just double tap and then zoom in like this. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.